sleeping. But we're going out in the cold, so had to get her all dolled up. All dolled up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, she's sleeping. Oh my gosh, she's sleeping, guys. Oh, look at that. She is sleeping, guys. Yes. 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 So, we're gonna go to Walmart. And you know, guys, oh, I love the hat. Today I am, which emoji are you?
Happy.
Let me see.
Happy.
Let's show. Yep, there you go. Oh. Yeah, so we're going to Walmart right now. And you guys know I don't like to record in Walmart. So if my husband is brave enough, I'll let him do it. So that you guys can come along. If not, then you're just gonna have to stay here. Deal with it. Psych, I'm playing. You guys can come. You can come. Let's go. Now. Come on.
Let's go.
But we're going to Walmart. So. In here. And the good thing about it is that it spins. It rotates. So I can put that baby in with one hand. Let's go, Maddie. Where's the cat? Look at the cat. Over there. Ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Are we plugging out the tree? Over there. Hi, Maddie. Hi. Hey. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Look at her cute outfit. Hi. 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 Are you pooping? Is that your poop face? Yes? Is that your poop face? Yes. Stop concentrating. Can you get that thing out of my face? Sweet girl. Hi guys, so I went to Walmart and I did not I didn't take you guys out the bag. I just left you guys there because I felt like it's safer for you guys to be in the bag when we go to Walmart. It's much safer. Maddie's here. But we you saw what we did prior to Walmart. We went to the winter lights. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I did take you guys out for that. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was all for you guys. I don't do anything this special, not for myself. I'm joking. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow, because my camera is dying. My battery is dying. Get it together, Janice. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a sunshine. Make it official, you know what I mean? Make it official. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.